Hello everyone, myself Gopal 20CS30021 section 1. Today I am going to disassemble and then reassemble this car. Before that I am going to show you that the car is in working condition. So as you can see that the car is in working condition. So now I am going to disassemble this car. For this I have to open six screws. Let's open them one by one. So this is how internal part of car look like. So the main parts of the car are these two DC motors, this motherboard to which all the wires are connected, as you can see, and this DC voltage supply by using this cell. Let's put them inside. So this DC motor look like this. Now I am going to open it. So this is a DC motor. In this we have these two small carbon brushes, and in this we have magnets, and this is copper coil. So now let's on it. So these back wheels are connected with this motor. When I run this like this, and the front wheel are connected with this motor, used for moving car right and left like this. Also we have in this the shock absorbers, this, and also these two wires are connected with these two headlights. So when I run this car, the light blink like this. Also these two antennas, the work of these antennas are when we press any button, this one and this one, the signal generated by this is catched by this, and the corresponding movement is shown by car. And this whole body is made of plastic. These motor body are of iron, and that's it. Now I am going to again reassemble it. So as you can see, the light is blinking and the car is in working condition. Now let's test it again. So after assemble, I am again going to show you that the car is in working condition. So as you can see, the car is in working condition. Thank you.